In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Brave VPN. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update Brave, find the VPN button, start your trial or sign in, complete your account setup, and connect to a location with confidence. First, make sure your Brave browser is up to date. Running the latest version ensures you get the newest security fixes and the best VPN integration. On desktop, you can check for updates from the browser's menu under the About section. Brave will automatically download and relaunch if an update is available. On mobile, update through your device's App Store. If you haven't updated in a while, this quick step prevents many common setup hiccups. Next, look for the VPN button in your browser's address bar. The icon often looks like a shield or a key, and depending on your layout, it may appear near the right side of the bar. If you don't see it immediately, try clicking the puzzle or extension area or resize your window so all icons are visible. Click the VPN button to start setup. You'll see an option to start a free trial if you're new, or you can sign in if you already have an account. Choose the option that applies to you. This keeps everything within Brave and makes the process straightforward. You'll be taken to Brave's account page to finish creating an account or to log in and purchase a subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your plan and complete checkout. If you're signing in, just enter your credentials and continue. Once your account is active, return to your browser and the VPN button will reflect your status. Now you're ready to connect. Click the VPN button again to turn it on. You can choose a location from the list. Connecting to a nearby region usually offers the best speeds, while selecting a different region can help with location-specific access. Give it a few seconds to establish the tunnel. You'll see the icon change when the VPN is active. A quick tip. A VPN encrypts your connection and masks your IP from the sites you visit, but if you're signed into a service with your personal account, that service still knows it's you. If a site seems slower, try switching to a closer location. If a page doesn't load properly, toggling the VPN off and back on, or choosing another region often resolves it. When you're done, click the button to turn the VPN off. That's it. Update Brave, find the icon, start your trial or sign in, finish your account, and connect whenever you need secure browsing.